Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2018 Jeep Compass Limited 4-wheel drive, stock number E1846P. 25,000 miles on this, one owner, clean auto check history report, pearl white in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, give you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage with 24-hour roadside assistance and car rental allowance. Compass seats 5, leather interior, split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items, advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, backup camera, along with rear parking sensors, power liftgate for convenience, lots of cargo space in the rear, and very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Limited has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel that puts you in that perfect driving position. Start. Large, easy to read gauges. Cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices. Dual zone automatic temperature control, along with heated seats as well as heated steering wheel, navigation, and Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. That is of course where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those media devices, and 4-wheel drive. 9-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability, lots of storage space in the armrest, and a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Overhead, auto dimming mirror, and power liftgate control. Under the hood, this Compass has a 2.4-liter 4-cylinder, 180 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates: an average of 22 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 30 on the highway, and approximately 40% of the tire tread left. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.